Hare Krishna, dear Maharaj. Please accept our humble obeisances. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Wishing you a very happy Platinum Jubilee Vyas Puja. We are so fortunate to be part of this auspicious celebration of Vyas Puja Maha Mahotsav. Maharaj, your contribution in Srila Prabhupada's divine movement, from youth preaching to Namhatta to Varnashram project, is so profound. You have dedicated your life in establishing the model of Vedic system where Varnashram can be practiced, and you are encouraging and engaging so many souls to take up to Vedic lifestyle, to practice and perfect both their swadharmas, as you generally say, swadharma of the soul and swadharma of the body, that can be achieved by practicing Varnashram principles. You often say that with land, cows, and Krishna, our life will be sublime and beautiful, and you not only stress but practically demonstrate the higher principles of simple living and high thinking in most practical ways, giving great hope to the world that it can be easily practiced. Maharaj, personally, few years back, it was our immense good fortune to get an opportunity to host you at our place during your one of the visits in Avtari days and serve you in an insignificant way, but that beautiful memory is still fresh in our minds. And our small kids at that time, Kishori and Gauranga, were so inspired by your talk and conviction that they, at their own very happily, handed over all their small pocket money collected in a cow bank to you. Maharaj, we are very grateful to Lord Krishna for blessing us with your personal association, which is an important event in our life. We wish you a very good health and long life so that you can reclaim many, many souls around the globe who are averse to the sense of subordination to the will of the Lord and engage them in the service of Lord through Varnashram principles. Your servants, Prasamrit Das,
देवीदास, नाम भाव देवीदासी,
माधुरी सखी प्रिया देवीदासी,
किशोरी
गौरंगा।
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.